Hi everyone, welcome to Fall Book Fair. We are so excited that it is book fair time. And we are so thankful for all of your support that was sent our way during the spring book fair this past year. It has made such a difference to our media center. We actually have about 400 books on order right now, thanks to everything that you guys were able to help us with at the fall book fair last year. So we hope to be able to do just as much, if not more, from the book fair this year to get more books into your students' hands here in our media center. Okay, but there are a couple of things that I want you to know about the book fair this year. So number one, we still have online ordering. If you would like to shop online, you're more than welcome to. If any of your family members want to shop online, you're more than welcome. They're more than welcome to. Obviously, you found our online portal if you're watching this video. To access the online portal, you click right here on this board, but there are a few things that I want to show you first. This link right here shows you how to purchase a gift card. So if you're like me and you don't want to send your child to school with cash, then you're more than welcome to purchase an online gift card and print that gift card out. It's not gonna like be mailed to you or anything. You email it to yourself, you print it out, and they bring it with them to the book fair. Now, you are more than welcome to send cash with your child, and many of our teachers are so great about how they organize that, but it's going to be teacher specific about how they organize students bringing in money in their own classroom. You are also welcome to come shop with your child this year. So we are so excited that we are back to being able to have parents back in our building. If you would like to come shop with your child during book fair, your teacher will be communicating the book fair time to you. I think there are 3 classes that will be on field trips during their book fair time. So with those 3 specific classes, we'll be communicating something different with you guys. But everyone else comes to book fair during their media time. So if you're not on a field trip, then you will know that you come to book fair during your normal media time between the dates of October 19th and October 26th. And if you would like to come shop with your child, or if a grandparent or someone would like to come shop with your child, they are more than welcome to. They just have to check in the office and wear a mask throughout their duration here within our building. So gift card option is here. You just click this link and it takes you to a page where you fill out the gift card stuff. Click onto any gift card. For my kids, I send it to myself. Now, if it's like a grandparent or somebody sending a gift, they can do it like this, but I click send to myself. Enter title. I put my kid's name as the title. I don't need to put a message. I don't really need to put who it's from, but I can say my name just to match it with the kid. I put my email address, add to cart, and then I come up here to the cart and I check out. $10 is the minimum amount that you can put on a gift card. You can put any amount over 10 that you like. Typically, kids come with about $20 to book fair, if not more. Our books range from somewhere like $5.99. We do have some like great value books, but they're not always the book the kid wants, right? But we have plenty of books within like that $6 to $8 range, typically 6 to 9. And then a lot of the like Dog Man and Cat Kid and really popular books are hardback. And hardback books tend to be a little bit more expensive. So they're in the ranges of like $13 to $15. Anyway, so just kind of a thought process there. But you also can look and check out book pricing if you click here. This links you into the online portion of our book fair. Now, the online fair is different than the in real life fair. They will have different things. So what you see in the in real life fair might not be what you see right here, right now. But this will still give you an idea of pricing from Paulette, which is the company that hosts our book fair right now. If you do order a book from Book Fair, those books will be delivered to our school and I will distribute to the students after book fair is over. So when book fair is over, our school's order is closed and then they fulfill those orders and ship them to me. And I will keep you guys up to date about that. I have in the past had parents want to buy, or grandparents want to buy books for like Christmas gifts or birthday gifts, and they don't want them delivered to the student. So if you're watching this and you don't want your book delivered directly to the student, that's just an email to me, www.hitfield@ellencharter.org. So W Whitfield at ellencharter.org. Email me and say, hey, this book order is under this name for this child with this teacher, and we do not want these books, give me the book titles so I can find the order really easily. We do not want these books to be given directly to the child. It's a gift, and you and I will communicate a time for you to come pick that up from me. But that's only if it's a gift. If it's like, hey, we'd rather just shop online, go for it. Shop online and I will deliver your books to your kids. If you're like, hey, we know we want this Cat Kid book and we don't want it to like run out the day that the kids at the book fair, or we don't want to like show up to book fair and it's not there, or if it's a pre-order, I think there is a Cat Kid book on pre-order right now. Then feel free to order it through this online portal. So you come down here, you can click into your categories if you would like. I'm going to go click that graphic novel category because it is one of the big favorites. And you're going to see that Cat Kid pre-order right here. It's available 11:30. So heads up on that one. But go ahead. You can either add to a wish list by clicking the star, or you can add it to the cart. And then, of course, you just go to the cart to check out. I'm going to move the screen over to the far left over here. You see the 3 lines at the top? That's like a home bar, another home bar, wish lists. Wish list is what I want to show you. Even if you are not shopping the online book fair to buy books for your child, they're going to buy books here at the book fair because that's fun and you're coming, more power to you. But if you would like to shop from your teacher's wish list, this is the easiest way to do it. Come here. There's a drop-down box for every teacher. If your teacher has completed a wish list, you will see their name here. We're just going to use me. I'm a teacher too, don't forget. I do have a ton of books on my wish list because of, being the media center and all. We want all these books. So you'll see books on the wish list, and oftentimes the books under my wish list are a little bit more expensive because they're the hardback books, and those tend to cost more. But you'll come down here and you can see the books on your teacher's wish list. Teachers are so grateful when you purchase books off their wish list. In fact, they're so grateful that we have created a competition this year. And each teacher has to have a minimum amount of books on their wish list to compete. And the first class to clear their wish list, meaning all the books have been purchased off of it, will receive a prize, as will the second and third class. And then any class after that and the classes above it that have fulfilled their wish list will also get us another prize. So we're, really trying to up the rewards that we earn from this fair, number 1, the books that get into your media center for your child, number 2, and the books that get into your child's classroom, much less the books that they're having at home now to read. So if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. We are so excited to have the book fair here and available. We're excited that you are welcome to come shop with your child. And we can't wait to get book fair going. Bye, guys.